This video will show you how to pair, control, and set schedules with your Intermatic ABRA in-wall smart switch using the Intermatic ABRA app. If you need to pair your smart switch with a third-party app, or if you need help with the installation, additional instructional videos are linked in the description below and can be found on our website and YouTube channel. Before adding the smart switch, make sure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz capable Wi-Fi network. When you first open the app, you will be prompted to allow the app to send you notifications. You will also need to agree to our privacy policy and user agreement before continuing. On the next screen, you can log into your account or sign up if you don't already have one. Once inside the app, you will need to enable access to your local area network and Bluetooth so that you can connect with your ABRA devices. You will then be taken to the home screen of the ABRA app. At the top of the app screen, you can choose the room where your in-wall smart switch will be located from a list of preset rooms you can scroll through, or you can tap the menu icon to edit the list or create a new room. For this example, we will close the Edit menu and add the switch to the default preset Living Room. To set the device to pairing mode, hold down the bottom button on the switch for 10 seconds. The blue LED will blink. On the app, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen and choose Add Device. To proceed, you will have to enable the app to access your location and home data. Click Allow. While scanning for devices, if you haven't done so already, you will need to input your Wi-Fi name and password so that the app and device can access your home network. Click Next. The app will now add your in-wall smart switch. When complete, press Done. This will take you to the smart switch device page. From here, you can long press the switch to change its name and icon. For this example, we will name it In-Wall Smart Switch and click Save. We will keep the icon as is and then click Save. The options at the bottom of the screen allow you to turn the switch on or off, open the basic scheduling menu, the countdown menu, or access additional settings. You can also turn the switch on or off by tapping on the switch image in the middle of the screen. To view the basic scheduling menu, press the clock icon. Since a schedule has not yet been set, the timing data is blank. To create a new schedule, press the plus button and then Schedule. For this example, we want the switch to turn on every day at 6:30 p.m. To accomplish this, select 6 in the hour column and 30 in the minutes column. Now tap on the days you would like this action to occur. For this example, we will choose every day of the week. To select the action, tap the arrow next to Perform Switch. You can choose for the action to affect all switches or just a single switch. For this example, we will choose Single Set and then select our in-wall smart switch. We want the lights to turn on, so we will select On. Now press Save. Then Save again. Back on the main scheduling window, we can see the scene event that we just set for the switch to turn on every day at 6:30 p.m. We can enable or disable this scene with the selection icon next to it. Now let's add an off scene to the schedule. Again, press the plus icon and then Schedule. For this example, we want the switch to turn off every day at 8 a.m. So we will select 8 in the hour column and 0 in the minutes column. Again, we will select every day of the week and then press the arrow next to Perform Switch. Again, we will select the single set and then the in-wall smart switch. Since we want this scene event to turn the switch off, we will choose Off and then Save. Then Save again. Back on the main scheduling menu, we can now see the off scene that we had just created. To go back to the device menu, press the back arrow. To set a countdown timer for the switch, click on the hourglass icon at the bottom of the screen. Use the dials to select the number of hours and minutes you would like for the countdown. For this example, we will set it for 10 minutes and then tap Done. The timer is set. To check the status of the countdown, again, tap the hourglass icon. From here, you can reset the timer by pressing in the middle. Go back to the device screen by pressing the X at the top of the screen, or you can cancel the timer by tapping Closing Countdown at the bottom of the screen. The timer has now been cleared. To delete a programmed schedule, tap on the clock icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the Scheduling menu. Now tap the scene event you want to delete and press the Delete button. To confirm, tap Sure. Now that the on scene has been deleted, we will delete the off scene as well. To go back to the device screen, click the arrow at the top left of the screen. To access more advanced scheduling and automation, you will need to press the arrow at the top left of the screen to go to the main menu. And then click the Smart icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the Smart Automation menu. From here, you have access to more advanced tools like astronomic scheduling, which turns the lights on or off based on your location and the time of the year. To create an astronomic schedule, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen, or for your first smart task, you can tap the button in the middle of the screen. Now select When the Weather Changes and then Sunset Sunrise. If you haven't already done so, you will need to set your address so that the app can calculate the time for sunset and sunrise in your area and time of year. In the top window is a space to enter the address. When complete, press Confirm. Your current city will be displayed. For this example, we want the switch to turn on at sunset, so we will choose Sunset. Now choose if you want the action to occur right at sunset or at an offset time before or after sunset. You can set this for plus or minus several minutes or hours. For this example, we will keep it right at sunset. Tap Save. Sunset is now selected. To proceed, click Next. On the Smart Task Creation screen, choose the action you would like to occur at sunset by pressing the plus icon next to the Then option. You have the option to control a single device, select a smart scene, send a notification, or delay an action. For this example, we want to turn the in-wall smart switch on, so we will choose Control Single Device. Make sure to select the correct room at the top of the screen, and then tap the device you would like to control. For this example, we will keep it at the living room and tap the ABRA in-wall smart switch. On the function screen, tap In-wall smart switch and then choose the action you would like to occur. For this particular switch, your options are to turn it on or off or reverse the switch, which would turn it off if it's on and on if it's off. For this example, we will select On and then click Save. Now click Next at the top right of the screen. Back on the Smart Task Creation screen, we can see that we set the If condition to Sunset and the Then action to turn the in-wall smart switch on. To set the days of the week you would like the action to occur, tap the arrow next to Precondition. Now tap the arrow next to Effective Period. On the next screen, tap the arrow next to Repeat. As you can see, the default is for the action to occur every day of the week. For this example, we will keep it at every day of the week and then click the back arrow at the top of the screen. Now click Confirm at the top right of the screen, and then Done on the next screen. Back on the Smart Task Creation screen, press Save. We can now name the scene we just created. For this example, we will call it Sunset On, and then press Confirm. Back on the Smart Automation menu, we can see a confirmation of the scene we had just set. Now that we set the switch to turn on every evening at sunset, we want to have the switch turn off every morning at a specific time, 8 a.m. To create this off event, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen. Since we are setting the action for a specific time, tap the arrow next to Schedule. Now you can dial in the time you would like the action to occur. For this example, we will select 8 a.m. To choose the days of the week for the action to occur, tap the arrow next to Repeat. This step is important because if the days are not set, the default is for the action to occur only once. For this example, we will select every day of the week and then click the back arrow at the top of the screen. Now click Next. On the Smart Task Creation screen, we can see that the If condition is set for 8 a.m. every day. To set the action to turn the switch off, press the plus button next to the Then action. Choose Control Single Device. Again, select Living Room at the top of the screen and choose ABRA In-Wall Smart Switch. On the Function screen, press In-Wall Smart Switch. On the Options pop-up screen, choose Off and then Save. Now press Next at the top right of the screen. Back on the Smart Task Creation screen, we can see that at 8 a.m. every day, the ABRA In-Wall Smart Switch will turn off. If this is correct, press Save at the bottom of the screen. For this example, we will name this scene 8 a.m. Off and then tap Confirm. Back on the Smart Automation menu, we can see a confirmation of the scenes we had just created. To return to the main menu, tap the Home icon at the bottom of the screen. And you're done! You now know how to pair your in-wall smart switch with the ABRA app and create regular, countdown, and astronomic schedules. And if you need help or get stuck at any point in the process, you can contact technical support through the information listed on the screen. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below or visit Intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic webpage for more tutorials.